Good morning. Out in the garden this morning and just checking things out. Thought I would point something out here. If you're transplanting seedlings, you will see the white. So there's white on those leaves, and that is sun scald. So we got these out in the garden, and not all of them have it. So it's they weren't quite ready to handle the sun to the extent at which the sun was out. You can see a little bit on that far tomato plant there, a little bit. But it's not an all hope is lost situation. So got some here. And yeah, there's a little bit on this one. These should bounce back, so not too worried. But if you see that, it's the seedlings got a little bit too much outside too quick. But they are salvageable, so just keep them pruned, keep them watered.